Do you have a Vbucks card and you don't know how to use it on your Xbox? You're not alone. And guess what? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem your Vbucks card step by step so that you could jump into Fortnite and get your favorite skins, emotes, and battle pass fast. So, many kids feel stuck when they get a Vbucks card but don't know where to start. So, it's frustrating. Don't worry, I'm here to help. It's easier than you think. So first you're going to grab your Vbucks card and you're going to scratch off the silver part to see your code. Second, you're going to go to the www.fortnite.com/Vbucks on a phone or computer. Sign in with the same Epic Games account that you use on your Xbox. Third, you're going to type in the code from your card and then press next. Fourth, you're going to choose Xbox as your device and click confirm. All right. Fifth, turn on your Xbox, open Fortnite, and your Vbucks will be there waiting for you. All right. Now you can finally buy that cool outfit or pass that you've been dreaming of. You did it. If this helps you, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.